Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here with another video. Today I'm gonna walk you through all the mods I've been done to my Mustang so far. If you are thinking about modifying your Mustang, that might be give you some ideas or maybe help you decide what to do next. I'm gonna head now to my storage. So it's like not a beautiful place, but quiet place, so we can make some good videos over there. I'll see you there. All right, so let's start with the suspension chassis upgrades, because that's where I focus most of my build so far. Right here in the front we have the subframe chassis brace. This one adds a lot of stiffness to the front of the car. You really feel it when you are cornering. You feel like tighter and more planted. Moving to the rear, I installed the rear lower vertical links. Those helps control movement in the rear suspension. They are great for keeping the car stable in hard accelerations. In the rear part, the differential lockout bushing kit. I read a lot of comments before I installed this one. Some people said that it makes the car like noisier, others say that it didn't. In my case, honestly, I haven't noticed like much extra noise. The cars does feel a bit stiffener, especially when hitting bumps, but that's part of what makes the whole setup feel like more solid and connected to the ground. I also have the BMR throttle bushing lockout kit. This one reduces the wheel hub, gives you better power transfer to the ground. You definitely feel it and you are launching and in hard accelerations. I also installed the rear subframe alignment kit. It's a small upgrade, but it helps to make sure the rear throttle stay properly aligned, especially after installing all those other suspensions part. To tie it all together, I added the BMR IRS subframe to support the brace. On the front, I installed this part that is called For Performance Strut Tower Brace. So both this one and that one, both pieces, they help keep the chassis rigid and responsive, especially when you are taking corners. That's basically my main upgrades to the car. I also have the performance brake calipers covers that they looks really great. They're mostly for looks, but they give the car like a cleaner, sportier appearance behind the wheels. I also installed 1-inch hub-centric Pro Billet wheel spacers. Those push the wheel out just a little bit, giving the car like a wider stance and better road presence. Interior is basically factory. I just changed those lights. I put leg lights because they look like better. And obviously Borla ATAK catback exhaust system. It sounds amazing, aggressive when you want it, but when you don't want it, it's like really quiet. And K&N intake, it helps a little bit with the performance combined with the catback. That's basically all my mods that I have in the car. There's still a few things that I would like to do next. That will be like the next stage of the build. Mostly suspension, like adjustable coilovers, sway bars, and some like fine tuning to improve handling and even more. I mean, now it's pretty good, but I would like to be better. Honestly, I'm not planning to change the outside look of the car because I like how it looks. Clean, aggressive, just the way it is. What you guys think, please let me know in the comments. And yeah, that'll be everything for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment if you have any question. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Thank you.